How to view YouTube watch history. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to go to your YouTube application and make sure that this one is the updated version of your YouTube. Now, what you're going to do here is to simply go to your profile at the bottom right corner. You just have to tap that one, okay? And then after you tap that, you will see options below, but you just have to look for history, and in order to see all of the history, you have to tap this view all. Okay. So here you can see all your watched history on YouTube. And if you want to search a specific video that you have watched, you just have to go and search the name. But you can also scroll down to see the videos that you have watched. Now, in order to delete, all you have to do is to click this three dots and tap remove from watch history. Okay. And if you want to delete all, you just have to tap this three dots and then tap this clear watch history. Okay. So your YouTube watch history will be cleared from all YouTube apps on all devices. Okay. And if you're sure, you just have to click this clear watch history. And if not, you can just simply tap cancel. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.